Hey guys, welcome back to the channel this morning. So we had a couple of ATVs checked in and wanted to give you guys a glimpse into what it's all about. So this here is a 110, a Boulder 110B. Again, as you can see it, we like customers checking in their vehicles for service clean. This particular customer lives a distance away. They did not clean it, so we have to deal with a lot of the mess at times. So if you're checking in your vehicle for service or repair, always bring it into your dealer or the service repair shop in clean condition. Other than that, because this one is full of mud, we have to clean it up then. And yeah, I mean, we need clean access to work on the areas that are problematic on the ATV. As you can see, this is full of mud. So this is a 110B Boulder. This is about 4 years old, this particular Boulder. And speaking to the customer said this has never been serviced besides one oil change. So this is something you do not want to do. These vehicles are excellent starter vehicles, beginner ATV quads. They're Honda clone motors. I mean, excellent manufacturing, put together very well. You just have to maintain them properly and have the regular maintenance. If you do not do the regular maintenance, then you're going to have problems and not be happy with the product. You have to treat these vehicles just as if you spent thousands of dollars on a major brand. Now again, this vehicle has not been fully serviced in about 3 to 4 years. So our job now is to get it started and fully serviced. Again, this should be done the first 10 hours. You have the break-in service on any brand new Chinese ATV. And that goes along with changing fuel filter, spark plug, changing your oil, removing all the wheels, retightening all the hubs, greasing the splines, new cotter pins, adjusting the carburetor, tightening the swing arm. I mean, it's a process. It's not just changing the oil on these. These vehicles will last you a very long time and bring value to your entire family as long as you do the recommended maintenance. Now this also here is an old school 150 Bull. This one is also 3 to 4 years old. You can see the condition it was brought in as well. Again, this is the same story behind this particular one. Again, it's full of mud. We like these vehicles brought into us clean. Look at the front tires, so you can tell that they've been riding it on pavement, which is not good for these ATVs. You can see the tire tread worn. Again, this is a 150 fully automatic Bull, and this also has not been serviced besides just changing the oil. So there you have it. Again, you have to service these quads on a regular basis. The more you drive them, the more you service them. These are off-road, hard-use vehicles. Again, this is the 150 in tree camo Tao motor ATV. So we have tire mounting to do for the front wheels and also a full service on this particular vehicle. So keep that in mind. On all your Chinese ATVs, make sure you do the maintenance on those. Do the maintenance, they'll treat you right for many, many years to come. If you can, cover them up or keep them in a storage shed. They will last you a very long time. Again, this one has not been maintenance, so we have a full service on this one, and then a full service on this mini Boulder 110. So this is shop talk here. Day in and day out for a Chinese ATV dealer, scooter dealer, go-kart dealer. Showing you our current inventory. Boulders in stock. We have 125D models in stock, 110cc as well. T-Forces and tree camo. We got the Cheetahs in stock. And also we have the ATM in Skittle colors right now, $895 plus tax and DMV and title. drive off with these. Cash price, it comes out to approximately $1,008 and some change on the ATMs. With tax and title, your drive off. You can come in here, it takes a few minutes to do the paperwork, drive out of the showroom. You got 30 days to set your appointment with the local DMV here in Nevada to get your actual moped plate. These do get registered as a moped. They get approximately 100 miles to the gallon, have a 1.2 gallon tank, electric start, backup kick start, great, practical, smart transportation. So come down and check these out. We got affordable helmets as well. The weather has been quite good here in Reno, so these are still selling. We got the Thunder in green and also red, the VIP in red, and then the classic TaoTao Evo 50. This is the largest moped on the market right now with the 12-inch custom wheels on there. Super nice bike. So come down and check us out locally here. If you're out of the area, just shop online. Check out our demo videos on all the Tao products, Apollo products, and BMS. We do have an X4 in stock right now at a special price at $869. And then the Jeep Auto here in stock. We do have a GK110 arriving. The Tao Motor GK110 Kids Mini Small Go-Kart. That has the remote start and kill feature. It's a 110cc fully automatic go-kart with the remote fob, parental remote fob that you can shut off, kill the motor if you have an out-of-control rider. It does come with that additional adjuster nut under the gas pedal, so you can adjust the travel as well. Again, out of the area, shop ScooterATVsales.com. Go on our YouTube channel. We have demo videos on a lot of the popular vehicles. If you have any questions, give us a call, 775-856-3398, or just send us an email. Smash that like button, please, and subscribe. We'll see you guys soon.